Great morning, my revivers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to light a candle so that it'll last longer. And I don't know if you would have seen my candle collection. Aldi's, not sponsored by Aldi's, and this is one of them, and this is the Rose Water Sangria, and it's by Huntington Home. A lot of times people get candles because they like the ambiance of them. I love candles, as you know. I did a video here. It says how to remember to think positive. So I light intention candles daily, and I have them all through the house, which gives me a reminder of thinking positive. No matter what's going on in life, no matter what's going on around me, I want to think positive. So when I light these, it reminds me throughout the day, be grateful, think positive, be grateful, think positive. Because your frame of thought and the way you think has a lot to do with how you feel, and it has a lot to do with your actions. So you want to try to line all that up together. So with that being said, I wanted to also say this. I have an inspiration channel. The link should be below. It's the CPR Vibe. So please check it out. Please share it. I share early morning inspiration Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. So if you are early bloomer, you got to get up to work and be there by 7 or 8 or anything before that. After that, you'll have some great inspiration to think about something positive. So make sure you check that out in the description box. Okay, so let's get into this candle. So I did have a video that I did on using the snuffer set. This is a part of the snuffer set. I'll put that below as well. And that's something you definitely need. So when you get your candles, they have these very long wicks. You don't want that. And that's where the cutters come from in the snuffer set. So you want to go in and you want to cut them to about, I would say, about a 1/4 inch. Oh, let me set it down and do it. You want to cut them to about a 1/4 inch, because you don't want them to be long. What happens is when your candle wicks are so long, it's the fire and the heat tends to melt the candle, and it starts to make it pull, and you have that pulling effect on your candles. And that's why even when you burn it for the first time, second time, third time, you want to go in and cut the wicks if they're too long. Then you come in and then you burn them. It's just that simple. You don't want long wicks when you burn your candles. You want your wicks to be shorter, which will also get to that fragrance faster, which is why you bought a scented candle, so it can give you that aroma in your home and also give that ambient feel from the light. So that is how you light your candles. That way you don't have, I'm trying to look in the camera and look through and make sure I'm getting a good view and light it. That is how you make sure your candles don't pull up, and you make sure that they last longer. And if you want to know how to put the fire out and how to save them in other ways to last longer, just check out the video below on how to use a snuffer set. I know you've seen these with the little bell thing that goes on top. A lot of us don't know what they're used for, and I got a lot of comments like, oh my gosh, I seen them, or I have it and I never knew what it was for, I just never used it. But if you don't like that funky smell when you get ready to blow the candle out and all that stuff, check out that video below. All right, I hope this was helpful to you guys. And if you have any more questions about candles, I'm not an expert, but I love candles and been burning them for years, and I find ways to save them because I don't burn them all the time. But meaning like each candle, I have several candles and I burn them at different times depending on the fragrance and what I want to feel or what I want to smell. So I can share with you my experiences. So, all right, guys, I hope that was, like I said, informative. If so, leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, join the family by subscribing, hit the notification bell so you're aware every time I load great videos like this. Please share the channel with friends and family, and I will see you guys later, guys.